WDSU First Warning Weather Impact Day, air quality alert officially until midnight. Want to start with a pretty picture though, as we've got clockwise flow all the way around here. That's a high pressure that's right over the Arklatex area just outside of Shreveport. And you can see the clouds spinning all around that here today. You see a 10% chance of rain. It was in the mix today. Why did you have a 10% chance? That's hardly anything at all. We're going to find out WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar. It's going to show that we've got a shower. It's small and in size, but it did affect some folks. It's Tangipahoa Parish right now and right into Independence. We're right on top of it. Came through with the downpour, a meeting within there too. So one lone shower, but there's a reason why you have a rain chance in the mix like that. Let's get right into the forecast in the way that we've got the air quality alert officially until midnight here today. But let's find out where we stand for the current air quality, because we didn't really reach the standards that we get to the level where we need to have an alert, where it would reach orange levels. So there's 5 different category levels: green not shown, yellow is 2, moderate, unhealthy for sensitive is orange, that's 3, then you got the red, and then you got purple, you never want to be. Right smack dab in that level 2, moderate air quality. That is right now. We can even forecast this, and when you look at the forecast, watch the start of this. It overdoes the pollution that's there, so I'm not concerned about more of this as we go through the weekend. We go Saturday, we go into Sunday, and again, I'm just thinking we're going to be at that moderate level. If you're highly, highly sensitive, you want to just take it a little bit easy outside and you're not doing a lot of running or anything like that. So if you go ahead in the forecast, we're at 91 still right now, 87 into Bogalusa, Galliano, 86 into Gulfport, 87 Biloxi, and those dew points still below 70. We're going to take that as we get that temperature. It went all the way to 95 today. At least the dew point was down, making it feel a bit better. If you were in the shade, it would have felt a little bit better. In the sun, it's still really hot. So the same pattern continues, and we get an isolated shower tomorrow, 10% chance again. By Sunday, I really don't see that block of the high is going to go a little bit farther northeast, so I'm going to take the rain chance down closer to 0 by Sunday, but there is no widespread rain anytime soon here, so this is going to go in through next week as well. That's the isolated shower. Besides that, another hot day, but tolerable with the humidity that's down. I got us around 93, dew points below 70. So this means Locals Fest tomorrow. We've got 88, 93, and 89, 10% chance of that shower. Headed to Sunday, did you see that little blip that showed? I didn't see much there either. So we're going to take it closer to a 0 chance of rain, 92, 93, dew points below 70. And we've got Saints football. At the time you're getting out, that temperature will be getting closer to 93, and that's some of the hottest part of the day. Extend the forecast out, and it's just more hot. There's really no rain coming. It'll be this front, though, by Friday has the chance to maybe break temperatures a bit, but it really doesn't bring any rain either. In the Atlantic, the National Hurricane Center now has a 40% chance of possible development, and we're looking at dry air interacting with the tropical wave. There's the 40% chance next 3 to 7 days. But look at the orientation of the area where the formation could occur. There isn't much out of this. Maybe tropical depression by that particular forecast. I'm not concerned. It stays away from us. Still tracking energy in South America with a forecast out of the U.S. is wanting to do something Caribbean, maybe coming into the Gulf. But look at the wind shear that comes along. This latest forecast, I'm not concerned about it either. So no worries from the tropics, Louisiana. WDSU First Warning Weather, 7-day, hot, 93, give or take a couple degrees, could be as hot as 95, and there's really no chance of rain that's going to be widespread anytime soon.